Hi everyone! For today's video, I'm going to show you the new Pat McGrath Labs and Bridgerton collection. I got the highlighter face palette, and I also have the eyeshadow palette. So if you want to know how I created this look, stay tuned. I really need 2 minutes of your time. I got a commercial for you guys. Valentine's is coming. Ana Luisa partnered with me for this video. Thank you, Ana Luisa. I know a lot of you guys don't like commercials, but just want to show you guys what Ana Luisa sent me. Valentine's Day is coming and they're having another sale for Valentine's Day. If you're still looking for a Valentine's treat for yourself or a Valentine's gift for somebody you love, Ana Luisa is a good option. They're going on sale. So cute. These are earrings. This one has stones. My lights are too bright, but these are like, what do you call those? Like fasteners. I wanted to wear them, but I just put another pierce on my ears. I got two. I pierced Coco's ears, my 2-year-old, and I really want to know if it would hurt. So I also got myself a pair. I'm wearing Ana Luisa. This one is the star. It's so cute. You can take off the star. Just have the simple hook like this. It's detachable. It's so versatile. I also have this Ana Luisa necklace, the chain, and all their products come in a cute pouch. Every item will come in pouches like this one, and this one. I have a lot of Ana Luisa jewelries. They've been really nice to me, so generous. This is an Ana Luisa ring. This is a new one. This is not new, but it's also Ana Luisa. If you're still looking for gift ideas for Valentine's Day, I highly recommend Ana Luisa. They're super cute. Check them out. Thank you so much for listening. Here's the video. For my skin prep, I'm going to use the Wishful Thirst Trap Juice. This has hyaluronic acid. It feels like my skin is really thirsty every time I use it. I love this so much. Okay, for my foundation, I'm going to use the Pat McGrath Labs Skin Fetish Sublime Foundation. This one is in light medium 14 or LM14. It's been a long time since I filmed. I just got out of Corona. Our whole family just got out of Corona, and stressful 2 weeks. I was too careful not to use my makeup during COVID so I don't contaminate any of my makeup. I don't know how it works, but I felt like that was the best thing to do. I use this foundation like a moisturizer when I apply it. It's very thin. I found out that this is the best way to apply it, using my finger. Okay, so that's the foundation. It's very light. It's medium coverage. It's very natural, super natural. Next, I'm going to use the Pat McGrath Labs Skin Fetish Concealer. Yeah, Perfection Concealer. This is LM12. My foundation is 14 and my concealer is 12. I believe that this is the peach. I really like peach concealer, peach tone concealer. If the brand has a light medium peach, it is what I go for. It's just very brightening under my eyes. I'm trying not to put concealer on my eyebrows, because if you have a lot of concealer or foundation on your eyebrows and you don't wipe it out, it's going to make your eyebrow products very ashy or muddy. So it's either I'm very careful about my eyebrows or I wipe it at the end. Just get tissue paper and wipe it like this. You get a little bit of product. Good to do that so you get the actual shade of your eyebrows. This is a very good foundation stick from YSL. It's a very creamy, easy to apply. I use it for my contour. This is Mocha 70. I'm gonna use the Morphe E63 brush. This is a very affordable brush. So good for foundation. I think it's a foundation brush, but I use it to blend creams. Don't drag it, dab it. It actually looks like the Pat McGrath brush, the same shape. I don't have the Pat McGrath brush because it's very expensive, but this one, I think it's $18 with a sponge. You can't beat that. I actually don't like the sponge of Morphe. I never use it. I think I gave it away. Easy to blend. I like perfecting my skin. The game right now, the way makeup goes, it's the skin that you have to perfect. It's not the eyes anymore. It used to be the eyes, but now it's the skin that is most important. It has to be perfected. So I concentrate a lot on my skin now. That smoky eyes, wow, I remember those days. Cut crease eyeshadow, that was a lot of fun. But now it's all simple. Eyes are all simple. Nice lips but beautiful skin. The foundation and the concealer is super nice. I love it. I want to set my under eyes and I use this Jacqueline Cosmetics brightening and setting palette. This one is in medium. I just get a puff. I also have the triangles. I use this too, or this one. This one is the Beauty Blender. Use caramel right next to banana. Press this under my eyes. It has this blurring effect. It's so nice. Put down the side of my nose too. Just set that crease right here. Smile line. So basically where I put concealer, I set it. To set all over my face, I'm going to use the banana powder. This one is Ben Nye Luxury Banana Powder. I'm gonna put that on my palm. Use the same puff. On my forehead, just everywhere to set my face. Clean my brows again. Next are my brows. Have all my brow products in this. Right now, I really like using the Rare Beauty for natural look. And also, I like to use the Huda Beauty Bomb Brows, Black Brown. I try to be really natural when it comes to my brows. When it's too strong, it really changes your face. It's also easy to reapply if it's not enough. I go very, very natural at first. Okay, for my contour, I'm going to use the KKW Beauty Powder Contour Highlight Kit in medium. So I usually do both and just mix it. Okay, I think we're ready for the star of the show. This is the Pat McGrath Labs collaboration with Bridgerton. I have the Skin Fetish Sublime Skin Highlighter in Incandescent Gold. The palette, this is the cheek palette. I do have the eyeshadow palette. So this is a set that I got. I forgot how much was it, but I'm gonna show it right here. I'm also going to show you guys the individual prices as I show you each product. I really want to do the highlighter first because the highlighter looks so amazing. I've never seen any highlighter like this. I think I said that before, but they're coming up with better and better highlighters, Pat McGrath. They're expensive though. This highlighter is super expensive. Packaging is just a box. Super cute. I love that they chose blue and purple, and of course Bridgerton's, they're blue and white. The hint of purple made it so much better. At the back, they got rid of the plaque, the sticker now here. It's getting cheaper, guys, getting cheaper. All right, I'm gonna test it. Super shiny. There's no cast. I love it. Subtle. Could be subtle, but I know it is buildable. I know for sure it is buildable. Really pretty, subtle glitter highlighter. It's shimmery. If you guys don't like glitter highlighter or shimmer on your face, you're not gonna like this, but it's very pretty. It could be natural, just like that. I'm gonna put this on my nose too. I have a big pimple on my nose. She wouldn't go away. She wants to live with me for a while. Very pretty. Could be subtle and it is buildable. I love it. Whoa, this is the palette. It's so pretty. So it has the same print. I haven't seen it. I never open it. Wow. Okay, so it has a highlighter. It's very pink. These are all pink. It's a pink highlighter. Yes, definitely pink. It could be a blush topper. This one is Cherish, Nympheth. I can't pronounce it. Venus Nectar. I'm going to use this blush. I really like blushes like in this color. I'm going to use my RT 300 brush. It is a pink blush. It's a very pretty bridal blush, like, you know, a flush of pink. So this is not a matte blush. This has a very nice sheen, like a glowy effect. So this one is the matte blush. And the second one, the second blush, it almost looks like highlighter too. And then a highlighter. All right, next, let's go to the eyeshadow palette. Ta-da! Woo! It's so pretty. The packaging, sticker at the back. Okay guys, they've gone smaller. It's okay, I guess. I mean, everything is getting expensive nowadays, that this is the deal now. Everything is getting smaller portion. I really want to do the blue. I do like this one as well. And this one. There's only one matte here, which is this. This is the only matte base that you can have. I'm gonna start very light. Okay, this is the shade Plum Regalia. It is pretty, but have I seen it before? Yes, I have. And I have a lot of shadows looking like this. It's pretty subtle. I like it subtle like this. Next color, I want to use the blue sparkly shadow. This is the most unique Regency blue. I'm going to pick it up with my finger. First, Pat McGrath Labs Intensifies Artistry Wand. Dab the blue shot. I'm gonna use this brush because we use the primer anyway. It's really sticky. This is not doing any justice on camera. It's so pretty in person. Wow. The shade of the blue is very unique. I've never seen anything like it. It's one of those shades that you just don't want to stop applying because it's so pretty. That is so pretty. Wow. Okay, next shade. I'm going to use this shade right here. Duchess Divinity. I'm going to put this under my eyes. Oh, this is so beautiful. I'm also going to put this right here. Very pretty shade. Wow. Okay, so this is the eyeshadow. I'm going to swatch these shadows because they're so pretty. You guys have to see it. Okay, first one is Iconic. Next is Art of Swoon. Regency Blue. The matte shadow, which is Plum Regalia. Duchess Divinity. Look at that. Wow. This is the one I put under my eyes. It's so pretty. And then the last one is Love Match. To finish up my eyes, I'm going to use the trio. These are my 3 favorite eye products from Pat McGrath. I'll show you guys. Alright, for my lips, this is the Supernatural lip liner from Pat McGrath. For my lipstick, I'm going to use Dream Lover. Okay, so this is Dream Lover and Supernatural. So I'm going to blend. Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Last thing that I'm going to do is the brow glue. This one is NYX. Just gonna lift my brows. Okay, so this is the look for today. This is the kind of blue that you can wear anywhere you want. If you love blue so much, but sometimes it's not wearable, you still want to wear blue on your eyes, this is the kind of blue that you can get away and still look natural. All right, so what do I think about the new Pat McGrath? I think that this is a winner. I love the shades in this palette. Although the shadows are becoming smaller and smaller, I think it's worth it. This is a good palette. The formula is really good. I love the shades. This is a surprise. I love this shade so much. I think that you can also use these pinks as blushes. I think they did a great collab with Bridgerton. I love the show. I've been watching the show and I can't wait for second season. I love the highlighter. I think Pat McGrath perfected the formula, her formula for these highlighters. I love the color. It's not very usual. This is a pretty yellow gold. Although it's not necessary, you don't have to buy this one if you have highlighters because it's very expensive for a highlighter. What? The palette is really good. I thought that I got 2 matte blushes in this palette, but I actually get 1 matte blush. And I don't really use this kind of blush, and I already have the highlighter like this, a pink highlighter. It reminds me of Cotton Candy. Is that Cotton Candy Dream from Kylie Cosmetics? This is not a matte blush. I'm very surprised. It has glow in it. I like matte blush and then add highlighter. Yeah, it got me off guard. I was really thinking that I'm gonna get 2 matte blushes. If you guys have any questions, please leave in the comment box below. I hope you guys love this video. I know it's been a while. I am back and I hope to make more videos for you. Ana Luisa is having a sale up to 40% off, so check that out. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Happy day. Happy day. Have a happy day.